There we go.
What stage are you at? Obviously, we're going to go out to full units. And have you done these in open water?
Not many of us have. I think people that made them have.
Yeah. But we've just tested them in pools so far.
There we go. It's also the ball on the ground. So you have a rechargeable 9-volt battery, and then this is connected to a custom-made printed circuit board. And so this contains some crucial parts like capacitors, a potentiometer, the connector for the servo, and then this is connected through a header to your actual Arduino. And then on here you have an LED that kind of gives you the status. If it's rising or descending, it'll change color, and we can see that really well in the water. It's actually really cool. Then we have an IR sensor that we can control it, so it basically takes the autonomous vehicle and makes it a remotely controlled vehicle, which is actually a cool function.
And do you have any problems with the water?
At depth, yes, but when it's near the surface, you can control it pretty well.
All right on.
And then where you usually program the Arduino, you can actually replace the programmer with this logging device, and so you can just basically speak right to it, printing everything into a file.
Okay.
And then these are all wired to the sensor end cap here. And so you can measure depth and temperature. And so how they water seal these sensors at the end cap is just with some silicon. So silicon adhesive, and that seals up around the edges pretty well so water doesn't get in. And so this servo actually, we can turn on here. So this servo drives this plunger in here. So it's pulling back right now, and we can actually see it come by. And then when it hits the bottom, there's a switch in here that it hits into, and it'll stop. Changes to orange, and then it'll wait. And this wait state is defined by the potentiometer. And then it should turn to green, I believe. Yep. And it'll start pushing back out. And this is the rise state.
Nice.
Yeah.
And where did you find the code for the Arduino?
So the original code came on the website, and so this guy was funded by ONR, the Office of Naval Research, to kind of make an outreach project for scientists to share with the public about what they do. So the real Sea Glider is a $150,000 piece of equipment that they put out in the ocean, and it lasts for months. It samples water quality. They put hydrophones to listen to waves.